Let's move on. Let's talk about how can we use the write function in Excel. The write function is a text string function that gives the number of characters from the right side of the string. It helps extract characters beginning from the rightmost side to the left. The result depends on the number of characters specified in the formula. Let's go to an example. Here we have some product names. The first one is Microsoft Cloud. Suppose we want to find out the last 4 letters of the word Microsoft Cloud. We will enter the following formula in the cell next to the word. As I mentioned before, always start with equals sign. Then type RIGHT and then open a bracket, select the cell that contains the word, then type 4 as we want the last 4 letters from that word. Then as always close the bracket and press enter. Here we go, we have the last 4 letters of the word. Now in order to apply this formula to other cells, simply double-click on the down right corner of the cell with the formula and it fills all the cells. Thanks for watching DocsEazy tutorials. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button for more videos. Have a nice day.